Stop looking at the price tag and start looking at the potential. Sparkles. Most people see a pile of trash. I see a bespoke masterpiece waiting to be born. Today, we're decoding the upcycle revelation, transforming scrap wood and literal garbage into luxury home decor. Let's turn your before into a breathtaking after. Hello there. Welcome to your channel, the sanctuary for organic modernism and tactile luxury. I'm Beki. If you've ever looked at a piece of old wood or a glass bottle and felt like it was destined for more than a landfill, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering material alchemy. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to use texture, scale, and shadow architecture to create a home that feels like a high-end gallery for essentially $0. Let's stay grounded and get to work. Designer Secret 1. The Scalloped Pedestal. Scrapwood Alchemy. Luxury begins with architectural scale. To transform scrap wood, we use linear rhythm. By wrapping your base in vertical slats and painting it a monochromatic, parchment, white, you create a piece that mimics high-end travertine or fluted stone. It turns a $0 pile of wood into a breathtaking focal point. Designer Secret 2. The Aged Stone Vessel. Trash to trend. We are practicing textural integrity. Mix your acrylic paint with baking soda and a handful of dry dirt or sand. This isn't just a craft, it's material alchemy. The resulting texture creates a sophisticated warmth that grounds your greenery. Suddenly, your recycling is a bespoke boutique acquisition. Designer Secret 3. The Golden Ratio Arrangement. Styling the after. We don't just place objects, we create visual dialogue. Follow the golden ratio for your grouping height. If your pedestal is height h, your secondary object, the vase, should be h2 is approximately equal to h times 0.618. This ensures your before and after isn't just about the object, but about the sophisticated composition of the space. Designer Secret 4. The Cardboard, Relief, High-Artistry Design. We use negative space as a tool. By framing the raw, ribbed texture of the cardboard in a clean, black frame, you introduce architectural soul into a room. It mimics expensive minimalist art found in New York lofts. Designer Secret 5. Shadow Architecture. The Final Reveal. The final 10% is shadow architecture. Place your upcycled wood pieces where the light can graze the texture. The shadows cast by the fluting and the stone paint are what make these trash items look undeniably luxe. You've successfully transformed your space using nothing but creative artistry. As you look at these pieces today, I hope you see more than just recycled projects. I hope you see that beauty isn't something you wait for. It's something you build with your own hands. You don't need a luxury budget to live in a sanctuary. You just need the vision to see the soul in the scrap. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more intentional, grounded home is the reason this community exists. If you're ready for your own material revelation, please subscribe and let me know in the comments. What's the one thing you're grabbing out of your trash bin to transform tonight? I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grounded.